Hello and welcome to Self-Care Snacks, Part 22. Today we're talking about stacking our activities. It can feel overwhelming when you look at the list of self-care snacks or the other things maybe you have to or want to accomplish in the morning or really at any time of day. So stacking is doing a few of those things at the same time. For example, here I'm outside, I spoke my morning intention to my tea, I'm writing what I'm grateful for and my affirmations for the day, all while not looking at social media. I can also do a few of my morning stretches and get this whole routine done in about 10 to 15 minutes as opposed to making them separate activities throughout the day. I also love picking an angel card as an intention for the day. Let us know what your self-care morning routine looks like in the comments. Have a good day. Bye.